All right, this is what happens.
Calming down.
This is it. All the kids went home.
Yeah, they have to come get sympathy.
Liz goes, don't do it. It's embarrassing. Not all of them are inside cats. Some of them were hiding outside. What's wrong, Coco? Yeah, I know that. Were you out too?
Yeah.
So are all of our cats have now come in and going, have they gone home yet? The childrens have gone home.
It's okay.
Thank God. What are you doing?
It's okay.
What you doing, Bob? What you doing? This is our ballerina kitty with his weary paws. Yeah. And this is Zeus, the evil monster.
That's the one that always hacks the computer.
Yeah, he's a computer hacker. I don't know how he does it.
It's you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's you. Say hi. Look.
Oh, that's lovely. A turkey bone in the floor.
Well, they loving the turkey bone. So this is what happens when all the kids go home.
Makes sense. Yeah.
I don't know where the hell they were hiding, but the cat patrol was on duty today.